Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Adidas Ultraboost 1.0 have come in, and typically I run about a 10 and a half, but with Adidas sometimes they run about a half size larger than my Nikes, and so that's why I went with 10s. Number one, beautiful. Love the colors. Of course, a lot of other color options. But what I'm excited about is using these not only for running, pickleball. I mean, look at the tread on these things. Absolutely fantastic. Didn't already know Continental rubber soles. Come on now. So you got some nice ventilation through the area here. Looks like a nice little knit in the front here. Sometimes when the material here is all the way up front, this seems a little bit more high end than other netted shoes that are all the way up to the front. Sometimes they can rip, especially up front. Nice, solid. This is like, not sure what material this is, but that's solid, like waterproof material right through here. Then of course back up to more of a mesh material, but this is all free flowing for air coming through here. So all sorts of different cool colors, all sorts of different material used. Up here at the tongue, it's almost like a tennis ball type of material here. And then we got a number 4 inside this sole here, and then signature in this one here. Coming around the back of it, we have a Becky, and this is the last name, which I'm gonna botch. Soderbrunn. Definitely botched that probably. Torsion system underneath here. Now they also do come with these. You have a number 4, and then you have like a little rose right here. And so you get 2 of those, so you can do number 4 and a rose, and so your Adidas little symbol here, that's what the material's for, is you can shove that guy right on there like that. All right, folks, let's talk about the Ultra Boost. I have used these now for running. I have used these now for walking. I've used these, I know you're not supposed to, but for working out as well. And whenever I put these on, from whenever I'm using like my slips, or even my Solomons, or my Nikes, these feel like you're literally walking on a cloud. I put them on, and every single time I put them on, I say to myself, those are super comfortable. I was doing push-ups last night, didn't even get the toes dirty. They're a cool pattern. They are so comfortable. A huge thumbs up in my book, and you'll put them on and you'll say the exact same thing. You'll say, that guy Chris was right. These feel like I'm walking on a cloud. They feel great as well running, super soft, and I really like them. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.